Hello friends, myself Sachin Kumar. Today I am presenting a very interesting topic. This is called partial order set. So before starting this topic, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe the channel. So what is the partial order set? If we have the a relation R and set S, so this combination is called partial order set. And another important concept is here we have to satisfy three important properties. Property number one, that is reflexive. Property number two, that is antisymmetric. And third one is transitive. This combination S and R should satisfy all these three properties. So such combination is called partial order set. We are understanding this concept with the help of this example. In this example, we have set of integers and relation is greater than equals to. So we will demonstrate it कि set of integer with relation greater than equals to is partial order set. So we need to satisfy all these three properties. Property number one, that is reflexive. In the reflexive property, it should be related with A. So it simple means with greater than equals to relation, we can say that A is greater than equals to A. This is true. Therefore, reflexive property is satisfied. Now, next property is antisymmetric property. In the antisymmetric property, if A is related to B and B is related to A, it is only possible if we have A equals to B. So in the case of integers and relation is greater than equals to, so we can say that A is greater than equals to B, and similarly B is greater than equals to A. This is only possible if we are able to write A equals to B. So in such case, antisymmetric property is true. Next important property is transitive. In the transitive property, A greater than equals to B and B greater than equals to C. It should be now A greater than equals to C. So this property is also true. So we can say that set of integer with greater than equals to relation is partial order set. Now we have another important concept. This concept is called comparable or incomparable. If we have two elements of partial order set and partial order set is here s less than equals to, then these elements are comparable if we can compare A and B. I mean, if we can write A and B in this form, A less than equals to B or B less than equals to A, whatever is the relation, if we are able to write element in that relation, then such two elements are comparable. Otherwise, elements will be incomparable. So what are comparable, what are incomparable, we are understanding with the help of the example. What is the example now? Say we have here further set of integers and our relation is less than equals to. So we are demonstrating here two elements. Two elements are comparable or incomparable with respect to this relation, this set. So for example, we are checking here two elements 4 and 9. So we can say that 4 is less than equals to 9. So therefore, these two elements are comparable. Similarly, if we have the elements 8 and 5, so we can say that 5 is less than equals to 8. So further, these two elements are comparable. Now, so we can say such elements are comparable. If we talk about incomparable elements, then we are taking our set, same set Z, but relation is here divide. So in the divide relation, say we are taking two integers 8 and 3. In this means we cannot divide a by 3. So therefore 8 and 3 are incomparable. So these are the good examples of comparable and incomparable. Now we have another important concept. This concept is called totally ordered. So totally ordered is basically extension of partial order set. Extension means it should be partial order along with comparable. So comparable concept is mandatory here and in addition of comparable we have partial order. So such concept is called totally ordered. So totally order means partially order with comparable. So we are taking here example whether particular set with relation is comparable, I mean totally ordered or not. So say we are taking here our set is here set of integers and relation is here divide. Then we are taking here say two elements 3 and 9. So we can say that 9 is divided by 3. So 3 and 9 are comparable here. But when we talk about elements 7 and 4, then 7 is not divisible by 4. So therefore we can say that 7 and 4 are not comparable. I mean 7 and 4 are incomparable. If we are taking another example, say z with respect to less than equals to relation, then elements will be comparable. So in this case, if we are taking z with respect to division, then our set is not totally ordered. If we are taking z with respect to less than equals to relation, then our set with this relation will be the total ordered. So in this way, we can define total order set or not total order set. So this is all about the total ordered and partially ordered set. Thanking you.